Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I'm your host, Brandon, and today we are getting into Mancera. Back into the fold, back into the fold. If you haven't seen the red tobacco review / sample and first impressions, check it out. Today we are going to look at Cedar Boise. All right, Cedar Boise. Dry wood. Dry wood. All right, without further ado, we're going to go ahead and unsheathe this thing. No love from the autofocus department. No love. You're just going to imagine it. We're going to go ahead and get this straight into the spirit, into the skin. Whoa. All right. Very agreeable. So you got a fresh burst of citrus and blackcurrant quickly layers on a smooth, sensible accord of leather and cedarwood. The notes: citrus, blackcurrant, leather, and cedarwood. And this is definitely very Aventus-like from Creed. Yeah, I mean, it's a different type of pine. I wonder what kind of citrus this is. It just says citrus. It's either bergamot or pineapple. They both have that bright component to them, that bright aspect. I'm curious of the dry down. I am getting a little bit of the cedarwood. There's a fruitiness here. I mean, listen, this is an Aventus-like type of fragrance. I'm sure you would like this. It's not bad. Very mass appealing, very different. Seems pretty linear. It's not changing up at all, if any. You know, when it said dry wood, I thought it would be a little bit more of a cedar type of smell. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is it is what it is. I mean, I would say it's an Aventus-like type of fragrance. Not bad, not good. Not that I have an issue with those. I'm just saying, like, it's not offering me anything outside of what I would come to expect from that. So, hey, if you are into that, I think you'll like this. As far as my opinion goes, I think this is a nice fragrance. It's I'm not sure how much this well, hold on. There's been a development. I'm not getting any leather. Like, at all. Let's see what Fragrantica has to say. I'm curious if other people have maybe picked up something. If anything, I'll probably just edit this part out. Very popular fragrance. All right, so you see what we got here. We got a woody, citrus, fruity, aromatic, powdery, leather, sweet, warm spice, animalic, and fresh spice. Okay, yeah, so there are more notes here. You have Sicilian lemon, bergamot, there's that sparkle, blackcurrant, spicy notes in the top notes. In the middle notes, you got fruity notes, patchouli, leaf, water jasmine, and in the base, you have cedar, leather, sandalwood, vanilla, white musk, and moss. Okay, so it is changing a little bit. I would say that the bergamot is receding. It's not as forward, and the musk is starting to come through. Still not getting any leather. Of course, that's just me and my nose. I think I'm getting a little of the moss. Overall, it took a little bit longer to get to where it wanted to be. I think we're in the mid right now. And I would say the mid is probably a more favorable place for me. I get that the bright bergamot when it first initially opens is cool, but I'm kind of liking where it's going. Oh yeah, it's definitely getting darker. Okay, so this is the second fragrance from the house. I know red tobacco definitely changed. This is also changing. It's not exactly the most, it's not, I could see this being around, you know, $100 or so. I'm not sure what it goes for online. And I think that that's a good place for it to be. So right now, Amazon is selling this for $135, right? I would definitely try to get this for a little bit less than that. Overall, though, I think this is a decent fragrance. Not bad for $100, especially when Creed is going for what, 450, something like that. Of course, duration and complexity is a different matter altogether. But for $100, I think this is pretty good. I usually don't include the prices of these fragrances. So if you guys are interested in knowing that as well in the samples, let me know. It's usually just my initial impressions. But that's it. That's the review. Yeah, this is not bad. This is not bad. One thing I know for sure, YouTube is making some excellent recommendations for you right now. Check them out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.